Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Data Wing application on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and then go to the search box and type in Data Wing and search. Look for this application, which is available for both iOS and Android platforms. Now tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Data Wing is a story-driven racing adventure game which lets you race and blast off in a stylish neon-lighted maze. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a few minutes, and you will be able to open up the application on your iOS. So that is how you should be able to download Data Wing application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.